I've seen 2024 Silverados with just 60,000 miles turned into scrap metal inside. Sludge everywhere, worn bearings, scored walls, while older models hit 300,000 like champs. The difference? It's not luck or driving style, it's the wrong oil destroying your engine. From the inside, costing you $9,000 in repairs. As a GM tech with 19 years, tearing down hundreds of Chevy engines, I know the truth. Not all oils protect equally, especially in modern AFM and direct injection setups. Cheap or outdated oils turn to sludge fast. And with the ongoing investigations heating up, it's worse than ever. In this video, I'm calling out the worst oil types that are killing Chevys right now. Backed by real lab trends and engine failures I've seen. Then I'll share the 5 brands. US GM techs swear by to hit 300K miles. I've spent $2,500 of my own money on independent lab testing and dug through stacks of investigation docs for this update. Stick around to save your truck. First, the bad news. These oils might be cheap or popular, but they're a gamble in your Chevy. I'm grouping them by failure type to keep it real. No boring list here. Let's dive in and get pissed about how these are wrecking good engines. Category 1. The cheap store brands. Like Walmart SuperTech, Amazon Basics, and Warren rebrands. These budget buys tempt you. At $20-25 for 5 quarts, but they're inconsistent nightmares. Every time these trucks come across my bay, the used oil reports tell the same story. Dangerously high wear on lifters and bearings, with oil shearing thin under heat, turning protective film into useless water. I've pulled apart 5.3L engines at 90K miles looking like a war zone, flat cams, collapsed lifters. You save pennies now, but pay thousands later. Ditch these for anything Dexo certified. Category 2. The old school tracks. Think Pennzoil Conventional in the yellow bottle, Castrol GTX Conventional, and Quaker State. Non-Dexos lines like Advanced Durability. These were fine for your grandpa's 72 Nova, but they're fatal in post-2014 Chevys with direct injection and AFM. They break down quick, can't handle acids or carbon buildup. Oil turns to gritty sludge that sands down internals. Samples I've seen show corrosion and particle levels way over safe, leading to ring wear. Oh, and valve issues. Full synthetic only, folks. Anything less is just slow engine suicide. Category 3. The fake upgrades. Valvoline Max Life. Great over 100K, but swells seals too much in newer rides. Shell Rotella T4. Category 3. The fake upgrades. Diesel stuff that poisons your gas cans. Lucas Synthetic, batch quality all over the place. Peak Synthetic and Mag 1, inconsistent additives, high oxidation turning to varnish fast. These promise more, but deliver less, causing consumption, emissions fails, or uneven protection. I fixed oil-burning Equinoxes and emissions light trucks from these. Don't fall for the hype. Check for Dexos Gen 3. Damn, it makes me mad. These oils are on shelves everywhere. Silently grinding away at your $9,000 engine while companies cash in. But wait. Even the right oil won't save you if you ignore the massive GM investigations. With over 807,000 trucks under NHTSA investigation for bearing failures, we're seeing a scary trend that could drag 2025 and 2026 models into the mix. While the manual still says 0W20, many of us master techs are switching to the thicker 0W40 DexOSR to build a better survival film. If you want to be ahead of the curve before the official recall letter hits your mailbox, this switch is your insurance policy. Now let's flip to the winners, the 5 oils. GM techs actually run in our own trucks, proven to fight sludge, wear, and heat for that 300K goal. First up, the baseline every Chevy needs. AC Delco Dexos S1 Full Synthetic, 0W20 or 0W40. It's GM engineered, keeps viscosity rock solid and wear super low, even after 7,500 miles, thanks to tailored additives for AFM lifters. At $35 for 5 quarts, it's zero guesswork. But if you tow heavy or push hard, step up to Mobile One Extended Performance, including 0W40 for extra protection. It handles extreme heat without breaking a sweat.
Killer heat protection.
With killer anti-wear film for DFM stress. My 2024 Silverado thrives on it. $35 45. Worth it for turbo or high mileage piece. For cleaner running, go with Pennzoil Platinum or Ultra Platinum next. Its natural gas base means less sludge and top LSPI, protection for turbos like the 2.7L. It stays fresh longer with low particles. Affordable premium at $28.35. In extreme climates, Castrol Edge Full Synthetic is your pick, with titanium boosting film strength. Under pressure, perfect for cold starts or hot summers, and it quiets those ticks. Versatile for any Chevy 2832. And for the ultimate in performance rides, top it off with AmSoil Signature Series. An overbuilt beast, loaded with zinc and moly for wear defense, designed for long intervals. But killer in Corvettes or ZL1s, $50, $60. The king if you want the best. If this just saved your Chevy from the scrapyard or an investigation headache, smash that like. Subscribe for more no BS GM tips. Drop a comment with what oil you're running right now. I'll be down there helping you figure out if you need to switch. Links to investigation info, analysis trends, and a free oil checklist below. Your truck deserves to last. Don't let bad oil kill it.